What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at almost 25k, down about 3.4 on the day. Seeing market cap of 482 billion, 24 volume 47.92 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up, grab up to 8k in bonuses, or buy Bit up to 30k in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies completely for free. Sign up to one of the exchanges and email me or sign up email. Let's hop into BTC. So it looks like we're putting in our ABC correction. Beautiful wave one to the upside, broke 25k. And now it looks like we're pulling back in our wave two. So we come down in a wave A, wave B pullback. Look for that wave C. The target is in between 21K and 22.8. The key support we want to hold is 21K. This will determine if the bottom is in. If we can hold this support box and bounce, high probability that the bottom is in for the market, and we're going to push up to 3040 and we're going to push up to 40k and beyond. Now the minimum target for the wave 2 is the 38.2% fib level at 23.7k. I'm going to have to close my patio door because there's lots of traffic. People drive crazy here in South Africa. They're always honking. Almost have my feet run over every time I go for a walk. So we're here on the daily time frame. If we can stay above the EMAs, that will be absolutely crucial. Currently coming in about 22.6 here on the daily. So if we do pull back, we hold those EMAs, we bounce, and we break that previous high, we'll be see you later all the way up to the target of this inverse head and shoulders at 39.8k and our wave 3 target at 43.2 thousand. The DXY, nice bounce. We had a small bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, so we may push up to create a double top. Watch that resistance at 105 and potentially push back up to 106, and then I think you will see a rejection. Will come back down, and that will allow BTC to come down into our target zone and see continuation to the upside. I'll most likely look for a long off this pullback, so if you want to get in on these trades, it's 10 bucks a month, as I will release the signal in my Discord for the same price as a Netflix subscription. The Dow Jones slowly making our way down to our technical target. We are back down towards oversold on the daily time frame, so we could definitely start to see a large bounce soon. As you can see, the last time we were this oversold, we created a double bottom, huge bounce to the upside. Right here we were this oversold, big bounce to the upside. So we may not come all the way down to this target, or we'll just hit it, and then we could see a large bounce, which of course will be positive for the markets. NDQ still holding the neckline here. I notice we do have this little bit of a descending broadening wedge or descending channel. So if we can hold support and we can break out of this channel, the technical target is the top of the channel. You could also see this is a large bear flag, and that double bottom pattern is 13.5k. And if we head for that technical target, that's also positive for the price of BTC. All right, gang, so that's it for this one. We're looking for that wave C in a 5-wave move to come down to 21. In between 21 and 22.8k with a minimum target of 23.7 before seeing continuation up into wave 3. We'll give a target. Let's say we come down to the 0.5 on the fib for the wave 2, which is currently at 22.8k. Then your wave 3 target would be the 1.618, which would be all the way up at 36.5, which would be extremely juicy and succulent in my opinion. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges, grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. Members like to post their profits in here. As you can see, Mahado alt plays, same price as a Netflix subscription, Subway with a bag of chips. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. It's good lighting here on my face. Much love. Take care.